Get ready for a game-changer in the world of supercomputing. Europe has just entered the Exascale League with the incredible Jupiter supercomputer. This bad boy is a true powerhouse, capable of performing an astonishing 1 quintillion operations per second. That's like having a million smartphones working together. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Jupiter is not just fast, it's also incredibly energy efficient, running entirely on renewable energy and boasting the world's most efficient cooling and energy reuse systems. It's no surprise that it's ranked as Europe's most powerful supercomputer and the 4th fastest globally. Jupiter is set to revolutionize science, innovation, and policymaking across Europe. Researchers will now have the computing muscle to run climate and weather models with incredible precision, helping us predict extreme events like heat waves, storms, and floods more accurately. And this is just the beginning. Jupiter will also support the development and deployment of AI solutions, training cutting-edge large language models for generative AI and next-generation digital technologies. This supercomputer is a €500 million joint investment by the EU and Germany, and it's part of Europe's grand plan to build a network of AI gigafactories, large, energy-efficient hubs dedicated to training and deploying frontier AI models. The European High-Performance Computing Joint Undertaking, EuroHPC, has already selected 13 proposals to establish AI factories across Europe, bringing together the key ingredients for AI success: computing power, data, and talent. The AI Gigafactories concept takes this a step further, leveraging Europe's top-notch EuroHPC supercomputing network to make the EU a global leader in AI. These facilities will be state-of-the-art, large-scale AI compute and data storage hubs designed to train and deploy next-generation AI models at an unprecedented scale. With the overwhelming response to the European AI Gigafactories initiative, it's clear that Europe is committed to staying at the forefront of AI innovation. But what do you think? Is Europe on the right track with its AI ambitions? Let's discuss in the comments.